This male black palm cockatoo lives in Queensland, Australia. He's on a tight house hunting deadline. It's breeding season, and his lifelong partner lays just one precious egg every 2 years. And she'll only do that if he can find her the perfect home. He's looking for a solid, hollow tree trunk. Over the last decade, intense bushfires have burnt many to the ground. This one is spacious, but its foundations leave a lot to be desired. Looks promising. Or maybe not. This trunk is hollow, solid, and tall. It looks perfect, to him at least. She needs convincing. He starts to build a platform to support her egg. Still not interested, but he has a clever trick up his sleeve. He needs a stick. Now he's ready for a special performance, unique in the animal kingdom. He drums. The sound may just persuade her. This is the solid home she's been looking for. Finally, he has her attention. A blush of her cheek shows he's back in the good books. And she has a safe, secure home to lay her egg.